Hello and welcome! This video will show you how to connect TRIKDIS Cellular communicator G16 to CrowRunner 4/8 panel. Control panel should be programmed before starting. In our case, the panel has one area and 4 zones. Start your browser and open TRIKDIS.com page. Press Products, choose G16, press Product Details. Download TRIKDIS config software. Open G16 User's Manual. Install TRIKDIS config software. Take off communicator's cover. Connect USB Mini B cable. Run TRIKDIS config software. If messages are to be sent to the centralized monitoring station in the System Settings window, enter the object ID. Specify the control panel type as CrowRunner 4/8. To enable Protegus app, go to the window User Reporting/Protegus Cloud and tick Enable Connection. In the SMS and Call Reporting tab, you can type in users who will receive SMS notifications and calls, telephone number. Type in the name of the area that is protected by the security control panel. Type in names of the zones. Type in user's code name. If the alarm system will be monitored by security company, you need to set the parameters for connection with monitoring station receiver in Windows CMS reporting. We set the parameters for the main connection channel. Now we set the parameters for the backup/reserve connection channel. Go to SIM card window and enter the SIM card PIN code and APN settings. Write in your settings to G16. Press Write F5. Disconnect USB Mini B cable. Insert a SIM card. Mobile data transmission service must be enabled in this SIM card. Screw the antenna. Put the cover back on. Wire the G16 communicator to security control panel. The control panel's power supply must be disconnected. Connect communicators plus DC contact to Crow control panel's positive contact. Connect communicator's minus DC contact to Crow control panel's negative contact. Connect communicator's CLK contact to Crow control panel's CLK contact. Connect communicator's data contact to Crow control panel's data contact. In order to remotely arm and disarm the CrowRunner control panel, you need to connect communicator's G16 output OUT1 to control panel's tamper zone, contacts TMP, GND. Connect the communicator's G16 OUT1 contact to TMP and GND contacts in the Crow control panel, including 2.2 k ohm and 4.7 k ohm resistors, as shown in the scheme. Switch on the power supply for the control panel. Now you need to program the control panel. Enter the installer code, program 000000, enter. Set EOL mode to the panel's tamper zone by pressing program 25, enter, 10, enter. Press 1. One indicator has to light up in the keyboard. Press enter. Checking the dialer programming option, type in the keyboard program 175, enter, 1, enter. Indicators 1, 2, 3, 7 have to light up in the keyboard. Press enter. Leave the programming mode by pressing program enter. Communicator G16 and the CrowRunner control panel are ready to work. Run the Protegus app. Choose Add New System. Type in the IMEI address of the communicator. Type in system's name. Set your time zone. Specify the number of the areas programmed in the panel. Assign the PGM output to the alarm system control in the settings. Set the impulse mode. Event list is empty. Arm alarm system. Disarm alarm system. Information about security system status changes appeared in the event list. Find more info at www.TRIKDIS.com. Our installation is complete. Thank you for watching.